Hi everybody and welcome to Trains Tuesday. Today I'm just going to have a quick run through on motorised points that I have on the layout to show you how they work and how I've set them up. I run an NCE power cab system on the layout, and so all the tortoise motors that I use for the points can be controlled from the NCE system. So convenient, as you can see. So I thought I'd just have a quick look at this set of points here. The set of points on the NCE system has an address of 212. So that address I've just put on a distance post here, just so that all the different points, I know what their number is in the system. So in the on the NCE power cab, which I can just put here, and hopefully you can see alright, I can call up that set of points by hitting the select auxiliary and entering the address. The 212 is already there, but it's just a matter of typing that in and hitting enter. And then when that comes up, I can select 1 to put it normal, which in my case I've set normal up as straight through, or at 2 is in reverse. And then it says now equals normal, so at the moment now they are set as straight through or in or 1. So in actual fact, if I push 1, nothing will happen. So what we'll do is we'll just bring the engine back beyond that set of points. To do that, I've selected 8401, put it in reverse. I can bring it slowly back past that set of points. Speed it up a little bit. And just bring it to a stop behind those points. When I hit select assembly, select auxiliary, brings that number up again, so I don't have to enter that number again. But if I just go enter on that, again we've got our 1, 2, and it's now set as normal. I want to go to 2 to set it to reverse. Hopefully you can see that. If you didn't see it, you might have heard it. And if you just keep an eye on this light here, that light's set up to tell me whether or not it's straight through or normal or in reverse. I've set it up so the light comes on red when it's in reverse or going off to the branch, and green when it's when it's running through. I'll set it to straight through and the light goes to green. Now the good thing with this system is if I hit select auxiliary again, it brings up the number I have just been on, the device I've just been on, the address I've just been on. Hit it again, it actually reverses what's already there. So now we've got the point set to go down to the branch, and signal light's gone red, sorry. So we can bring 8401 back through. It's in reverse at the moment, so let's put it on forward, and we'll bring that through, and it should go down the branch. Now the way I've set up this little piece of track here, this set of points and this set of points act in parallel, and this one is set as straight through, this one will be straight through, and then if this one is on the branch, this one will be on the branch, because really not a lot of point of having this one coming down here if this one is set the wrong way. We'll just end up with a derailment. So I don't know if you can see this one changing and this one changing at the same time. This one now has gone to straight through and this one is straight through. And so we can now bring the engine and crane back up into this shed. Okay, so we're a bit further down the layout, and as I said, I've got a number of points. Most of the points are set up like this, so we've got a little group here. Hopefully you can see them all. So there's one set of points here, one set of points here, one here, here and here, set of points here as well, which I've set up, but I haven't given them their numbers yet. So I can change this set of points, which is numbered 211, just here. So if I just go in and select 211 into that, tells me it's in reverse, which it is. And you can tell by the red light is on. So if I push 1, it'll go to normal or straight through. Must be a bit of a problem with the contact there. But that's gone green. Just in case you missed that, I go to 1 again, that'll push it back. I can then do the one in front of it, which is 210. I can put in 210 and into that. It tells me it's in reverse, which it is. It's going off to the branch. So if I push 1, that'll go to straight through and the light will turn green. And the same over here at 216. I can select 216. Telling me it's normal and straight through, which it is, and the green light's on, so I can change that to the branch. So that's how I've got a lot of my points set up, and how the lights work. Green light is if the points are set to go straight through, red light is if they're going down the branch. Okay, so just a quick review myself of that video. There's quite a bit you couldn't see very well. So the numbers on the posts that I'm talking about are these. So 212, for example, on that set of points, and similarly 212 on this set of points. Where is it? This one here. Yep. And so when I change 212, that signal on the right there which is red now because the points are set to go to the branch, will change to green as that set of points changes to straight through. Just do that again. And what's happening on here, as I tried to say, so I'm just by pushing auxiliary, set the auxiliary number 212 comes up, and if I enter that, as I was saying, we can have 1 for normal, 2 for reverse, and where is it set now? It's in reverse, so just to check that, 212 is going down the branch there and is in reverse according to what the system is called. So if I push 1, so I just have to push 1 on here, the number 1, and that reverses that, and you can hear it going to straight through into green. So as I was saying, if I push auxiliary on here, I can then enter whatever number I want. So let's come back here. For example, I want to have a look at 215. So I just push in 215, sorry, 215, and enter that. And if I push, it says it's normal at the moment, so if we want to reverse it, we just push 2. And 215 is reversed now. Just bring it back. Okay, you can control that from here. So I hope you've enjoyed that. We'll just put the engine back. So we'll reset those points to straight through. The engine can head off. It's ready. Points back to branch line, bring it back. Engine driver just to give you a little wink with his light. Bring that back. So if you've enjoyed these videos, please like and subscribe, and be safe. Farewell for now. See you again next week.